I'm Gobo. Today I'm going to rant on the kids' sound effect. What's more like Sassy Ninja Warrior Studio auditions cheering sound effect? Oh my god, this sound sucks. 1, it sucks. 2, it hurts my eyes. 3, the school is destroyed. 1, it was hurt in Little Bill. First day of school. After the teachers say, today is the last day of school, the sound comes up. 2, it was heard in suspense sounds. When the text say, thanks for watching, the sound comes up. 3, it was heard in the kitten. When the Yaku characters going out over the bounce house, the sound comes up. 4, it was heard in an adapted Mind video called The Pet Hutch Tree. After the violet monsters say, hey everyone, our new pet keeper here, the sound comes up. 5, it was heard in Teen Comedia. After the text say kids cheering, the sound comes up. 6, it was heard in Bambi Meets Godzilla. After the text say collision, the sound comes up. 7, it was heard in another one of the Bambi Meets Godzilla. After the text say verge, the sound comes up. 8, it was heard in Aluminum Mazookas when the sound comes up in 4 times. 9, it was heard in the Leon concert. It's called Gobo Insane Dream. After the Lalalupi sings in, the sound comes up. 10, it was heard in Trolley Philippines. After the singers sing Trolley, Trolley, sing and dance with me, the sound comes up with a crowd sound. Do you know who likes this sound effect? Toot Toot Boss, because he likes the sound effect so much that he uploads videos with the sound effect using audio time. Who hates this sound effect? Gobo, because I hate the sound effect so much. So screw the kids cheering sound effect. And screw the train horn sound effect. Kind Master is 5 trillion times better than the kids cheering. And up the